Good morning. It's a new day, new adventure. Just about to load the bike up and get going to my next accommodation, but I thought on the way I can make a second attempt at going to see a waterfall. So I think it's a place called Beechworth. There's a waterfall out in that area, which is on the way to Albury. So I thought I'll go check that out. Oh, this is crazy. I am nervous. I'm scared of boats too. Oh my god, welcome to Melbourne. Oh wow, this is stunning. Time to see how waterproof and windproof my tent is. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep low. My foot's not far enough. I just made fire. Look. There's actual flames. Oh my god, it's like a roller coaster. I kind of want to put my hands up, go all the way down the hill, but that would not be a good idea. Alright, we are on our way. We're heading to, like I said earlier, we're heading to, I think it's called Beechworth. There's a waterfall area out that way. A nice short one, which is going to be good. It's only like barely speeding at the moment, so I think it is meant to be clearing up weather-wise today, but I still thought it was a good idea to just use accommodation. Better be safe than sorry. I don't know if this seems like a dumb question or not, but does the mainland, like Victoria in particular, do they have echidnas? Because I know we see them everywhere at this time of the year in Tassie, but in all the areas I would have thought to have seen them, I haven't seen anything. So I don't know. Are they on the mainland, or are they just a Tasmanian thing? Seems like a really dumb question. I'm going to Google it later. As soon as I get to a stop, I'm going to have to Google it. Anyway. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I think my good luck with the weather's run out. Once again it's raining. Oy. Oh no. Oh no, gravel road. Ah. Oh. I hope this means that we're almost there. I don't know where the fuck this is taking me. Oh god. Oh well. Here we go. I was hoping it was dry enough for this. Can't fucking see shit though. Revs up, revs up. What the fuck is it taking me down here? Revs up. Revs up. Ooh. Oh my god, why? Surely there was a better way.
In 300 metres, turn right onto Willowmaven Road.
I hope it's a normal fucking road. Shit. Oh. 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 Oh.
Take the next right onto Willowmaven Road.
Okay. Oh. 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 Oh, I have to stop. Oh, I hope no one's coming. Holy shit, fuck!
In 300 metres, turn right onto Woolshed Falls Road.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, okay, here we go.
Turn right onto Woolshed Falls Road.
Whee!
In 400 metres, you will arrive at your destination.
Here we are at the Woolshed Falls at Chiltern Mount National Park. Have a look here. So the Woolshed was one of Victoria's most significant gold fields during the 1850s. Later it was the scene of several events associated with the infamous Kelly Gang of bushrangers. Falls are spectacular after heavy rain. Well, we definitely had that. And the area is popular for exploring, relaxing and enjoying the atmosphere. Cool. I'm really happy I got to do that. Definitely made up for yesterday. Got to stretch my legs a bit. See a waterfall I didn't get to do yesterday. But I like it. This was much easier to get to.
Micah, that's yours?
That's mine.
Beautifully set up. It's a lot of camping you're doing.
Well, I was supposed to be doing.
Ah, but it's too bloody cold.
It's the rain.
Oh yeah.
It got
horrible.
dangerous yesterday. Riding, so I had to book accommodation. I'm like, I'm not going to make it. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it bad?
Well, it's pretty sensible.
I figure my safety is a bit more important.
Yeah.
So what's the Tracer like? Is it good?
Love it. I upgraded from the MT-03, so Lure 300,
Okay. Yeah.
to that
That's
beast.
quite an upgrade.
Just
Yeah.
a small one.
Yeah.
I took it to the track a week old.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the best way to learn it.
With all the gear on? No.
No, definitely not with all the gear on.
No.
I think I need to do car park practice with that.
So have you got things? Have you got heated grips on it and things like
Yeah.
that? Yeah,
Yeah.
you need that. Not a heated seat as well.
Not a heated seat, but I do have my heated vest, and if I'm desperate, I do have heated socks.
Oh, you do?
Great.
Oh,
That's great. You're so organised.
All right.
From Tasmania, I need them.
Oh, you come up from Tassie?
Yeah.
And where are you going? Everywhere.
Today I'm going to Albury.
Yeah.
Kind of gone everywhere. A bit around. Started off at the Grampians.
Yeah.
Now headed to Albury, and then to a moto vlogger YouTube event, and then up around Bathurst, and then back down Cobar, Broken South Australia to finish off.
Oh, okay. So it's a big loop. It's a
Big loop, all in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm already at halfway through my first week, or at the end of it.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
long days.
Yeah, I'll say.
The longest day would be my last day because to get back to the boat from where I'm staying in
Yeah.
South Australia is GPS time of 8.5 hours.
Oh no!
That's
So how many k's you got there? 700?
Probably, yeah.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's my limit. What's my limit? 400. I'll do about 400 when I stop.
Nah, it's alright.
Oh, terrific.
I'll just leave at like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Well,
Okay.
safe travels.
Okay.
Do you want to fall? So nice talking to strangers. Oh, what's up here? We haven't gone up here. Oh, I don't like viewing platforms. But holy crap, that's amazing. Oh, I don't want to get too close. Ooh-wee. Oy, oy, oy. I never thought I was afraid of heights. Apparently, I am when it comes to water in particular. But that is worth it. Oh my god, that's stunning. Oy. Have I told you this totally makes up for yesterday? Ah, I do, please. Totally. This is great. The weather being good. Haven't been rained on too much. And if I have, it's only been spitting. Totally makes up for yesterday. This is so cool. It's just nice. More rocks. Don't be fooled by the rocks I got. I'm so don't know if I'm meant to go anywhere down here. Probably not. That looks cool. Alright. I think it's time we head back to the bike and get to Albury. Well, made it wherever this is. It's a little, tiny little motel on the side of the road somewhere. Has a swimming pool. That's pretty cool. No idea where the nearest food place is. I wonder if they deliver. Because I feel like I'm not going to find this place again. Otherwise, I can't see. Oh, here we are. It's my badge. Look at it. Sexy beast. Yep. Show you guys in the room and then we'll unload back. Good. It's not too it's really not bad for a room that cost me like, I don't know, less than $80. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see what the bathroom's like. Yep, looks like a bathroom. Cool. Hey. Cool. Lovely shower curtain. Look. Oh, yeah. Cool. We've got a little plant. That's cute. Awesome. Oh, there it is in the corner. I was like, it's got a TV room. I really couldn't see the TV, but there it is in the corner. It's been a day. It's a long day. I'm tired. Alright. Pop you down and let's get the gear off the bike and work out what I do from here. Highly doubt there's laundry services. I don't know. Need to figure out laundry, whether to do that in Queanbeyan or what, but because this is like right off a main road, I don't really want to have to get back on the bike and go out anywhere. So we'll see. We'll see what I'm gonna do. Maybe people will deliver up here food, laundry. I've got another day's worth of stuff, so I can do that at tomorrow's destination. Alrighty, time to unpack. Bye.